So, you've probably heard about famous AI voices everywhere, and now you're curious about how to get your own. Whether you want to clone a famous voice or create something entirely unique, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving into two powerful tools, ElevenLabs and Wondershare Virbo, to show you how to generate and clone AI voices with ease. While ElevenLabs is paid, but Wondershare Virbo has a special surprise for new users. Your first voice clone is totally free. Let's dive in. First up, we have ElevenLabs, which offers voice cloning at multiple levels, whether you're looking to clone a voice from a clean sample recording or really customized and the most realistic digital replica of your voice. Go to ElevenLabs and head over to the Voices tab on the left, and you'll see Create or Clone a Voice. Just click on Add a New Voice, and then choose Instant Voice Cloning out of the following options. Now you need to upload a clean voice sample over 1 minute long, and in few minutes, your voice clone will be ready to use. With Virbo, cloning a voice is super easy, and the best part, your first voice clone is absolutely free for new users. Just go to the Virbo web homepage and choose the voice cloning feature. All you need is a 50 to 90 second high-quality audio sample, because the final result of the cloned voice will depend a lot on the quality of the original voice file. So uploading a high-quality voice recording would be important. Once uploaded, check the box confirming you've accepted the terms and conditions. Now you need to upload a recording of yourself, reading a phrase given by Virbo to confirm your identity. Once uploaded, hit Create Clone. Virbo will work its magic and lead you straight to the text-to-speech page, where you can start crafting speech with your newly cloned voice. And just like that, you've unlocked the power of AI voices. Whether you're bringing your own voice to life or cloning someone else's, these tools make it a breeze. If this video helped you find your voice, literally, why not let the like button know? And if you're curious to hear more voices in future videos, maybe that subscribe button wants to join the conversation. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.